Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to discuss the expression and add operators of Geek for Geek POTD challenge of 25th May. So it is a hard question. Let's look at it clearly. So we are given a string which consists of digits 0 to 9. Okay, so and the target is there. Return all possible string s to insert the binary operator plus minus or into between the digit of string s so that the expression evaluates to target. I hope question is clear to everyone. Since it is a clear question, then we are given a string of integer digits and we need to insert three operators, that is plus, minus and multiplication between the digits, so that the after performing that operation it will result in the target. So it is a backtrack problem, as we all know. So the time complexity will be exponential, that is the size of string into 4 raised to the power size of string, and the space complexity will be size of string into 3 raised to the power size of string. Size of string is 10, at max 10. Okay, so let's see the examples. Here we have string 1 to 3, target is 6. We can represent it as 1 into 2 into 3, that is 6, and 1 plus 2 plus 3, that will also evaluate to 6. Then string is this, and the target is 9191. So no evaluation, means no expression are there which can be created from this that will evaluate to this. And how we will know this thing? We will backtrack and check all the possibilities which are possible. So basically we will check all the possibilities one by one. We will form all the expressions one by one and we'll check those expressions. Okay, so this is a standard backtrack question. Let's see the code. First we will retrieve the size of string, then it is a dummy string, that is expression string, and then we will call our backtrack function, that is base function we had declared here, or we can rename it as backtrack function. That will contain this much parameters and it will return the final answer. Answer is the global vector variable that is declared at the top, that contains all the expressions. Okay, these are the standard operations which are only allowed to perform, that is into, plus, minus. So we will be performing these operations and we are defining long. Then Boolean check is a function which will check if the given expression evaluates to that target or not. So we basically are defining two different functions. One is the backtrack function or the ways which will generate all the expressions, and then we have a check function which will make the check of the expression whether the expression evaluates to target or not. So these two functions are there. So we will start with the backtrack function. Backtrack function will contain the current index, the size of the string, the sample string which is given, the target and the expression which we are generating. If the current index in the is the end of the string, then we only have the option to push that element and check. If this check passes, means if the expression evaluates to the target, then answer, means we will append this expression to the answer, else we will backtrack, right? This is only the logic for backtrack. Else means we are not at the end of the string. We can push that element or we can also push the operator along with the element. So we will first push the element and we can backtrack. There are different chances, right? Like here we can push the operator 1 plus 2, or we can push 1 2 both as it is. So this is the thing, we will push 1, then we will again backtrack, which will again be here and it will push 2 here, or else we can push 1 and then we can continue to the pushing of operator, that is plus, minus or multiplication, and then we will backtrack again. In each backtrack we will increment the index and pass this same expression. They are basically using reference operator, so it will remain same. Then the expression will be pop back, means backtrack will happen. Okay, so let's see the code for evaluating the expression whether it is equal to target or not. So basically the thing is that we know that the evaluation could be done using stack also, right? It's possible, right? Because if you see, like this type of expression you need to evaluate, so it is an in order expression. You need to postfix, you need to convert it into postfix format, and then you can evaluate using stack. Okay, so basically we are using a simple check here, means iterating each digit wise digit and making the checks. So we will first find the numbers, that is the means the numbers present in the string, and the operations which need to be performed. So we will start with the index j as 0, and m means the size of the expression. So the value current is, at the present is 0, and c is a check, means a count variable. So while the expression is not having any operator, means while it is having only the digits 0 to 9, then we will calculate the value of the digits. If the digit is 0 and the count is greater than 1, means we are running this loop more than 1 and the value comes out to be 0, means this expression will not evaluate to the target, so we are returning false, else we are pushing this value. If and this else means the value is there, value exists. Okay, so we need to change this value in the terms of raised to the power 2, and then we will push this value. Then we come to the operators, means if the expression results in the operator, then we will get that operator, increment the count, and j means the index of the string. If count is greater than 1, because we need only one operator at a moment, right? Because if we have plus plus or into or minus minus, that would result in a bad string, and that would be a chance, that would be a possibility that would it would happen. So instead of that thing, we can return false if that is a bad string, else we can push that operator. So finally we had collected all the values and operators separately. We know that the operator array would be one time less than the values array, because here also you can see value array will contain 1 2 and 3, and the operator will contain multiplication of operators twice. So the value array would be the size which is one greater than, sorry, yeah, one greater than operators array. So new numbers and new operators arrays which will contain the evaluations. Here we are evaluating based on the conditions, like if it is multiplication then we are multiplying, else we are pushing back, because on multiplications means we need to multiply add together, we can't add it separately, means they are having bracket in a sense they are having brackets, so that we can perform the operation at a one go till multiplication operator is there, else we will go on pushing it. Okay, so this is the thing, and then we will perform in minus, subtraction, or addition, and if we will check if it is equal to target, it will return true, else false. So I hope you have got the code. If you have any doubt, let me you can ask me in comment. I will try to respond you as soon as possible. So let's check if it is fine or not. Yeah, so the code is correct and it's working. It is a C++ code. Hopefully, I hope you like the code and the solution explanation also. Having any doubt, you can comment me, and like, share, subscribe, and keep following us for more such videos on different topics and contest solutions, etc. Thank you.